We've implemented some new changes to the Intouch scheduling module to improve user experience and create a fresher look. The update also includes some new features which we think that you'll love. Looking onto the main schedule, you'll notice that your jobs are ordered in the same way as before, with green jobs due to complete on time and red jobs completing late. Now you can single click on any job to show more information, including when it's scheduled to start and end. You can edit the job by selecting Edit Job or simply double click on the bar as before. You can exit this pop-up window by selecting the cross in the top right corner or simply hit Escape. This pop-up window can also be completely disabled if you prefer within the Preferences menu by selecting Disable Info Box pop-up on click and hitting Save. You'll also see a bar located at the top of the page. From here, you can access your schedule reports and import your jobs and parts. By selecting the menu on the far right, you'll be able to access the schedule preferences we mentioned earlier and a range of other features, such as recovering old jobs, exporting the schedule and filtering machines. We hope that this will make it easier for you to find the tools you need to plan your production. A subtle change has been made to the table beneath the Gantt chart. You'll now see the status of any job and when it's due to start. Now, for the biggest new feature of the scheduling module, which is something many of our customers have asked for. You can now look into the past by grabbing the timeline and dragging to the right. This will help you visualise all completed jobs, and you'll be able to click to find out when any particular job started and ended. We're planning on further expanding this functionality in future to enable users to view more information about the completed job. We'll keep you informed as these developments are released. We know that production planning can be time consuming, so we've introduced some keyboard shortcuts to assist. For example, when adding or editing jobs, you can now hit the Enter key to save any changes or hit Escape to cancel. This functionality is also being rolled out to other areas of the software. If you have any questions, please visit our support page for more information or email our success team on i4support@intouchmonitoring.com.